Very shortly, we're going to be putting the F rule for corresponding angles together with other angle properties that we already know from before Christmas. So we're going to do a quick revision of all the angle properties we should know at this moment in time. So the first angle property that we looked at before Christmas was called vertically opposite angles, also known as the X rule. And this involves two lines that intersect at a point. And there are angles formed around this point. And what we're saying is that the angles that are opposite each other are the same. So angle A and B would be the same, and angles C and D would be the same. So C and D are vertically opposite angles, and A and B are vertically opposite angles. Okay, the second angle property that we looked at was called supplementary angles, or some people call them angles on a straight line. And what this involves are angles that lie on the same straight line, and all of the angles span a total angle of 180 degrees. So they all add up to 180 degrees. A plus B plus C would equal 180. Okay, the third angle property we looked at was called angles at a point, or AAP for short. So this all starts from putting a point in your page and drawing different lines coming out of that point, and then there'll be angles formed between those lines. And the rule is that all the angles added together, they add up to 360 degrees. So A plus B plus C would add up to give 360. The fourth angle property that we looked at before Christmas was angles in a quadrilateral, or AIQ for short, and we all know that all the angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So A plus B plus C plus D equals 360. Fifth angle property we looked at before Christmas was angles in a triangle, or AIT for short. And again, we all know that angles in any triangle all add up to 180 degrees. So A plus B plus C equals 180. And then lastly, the angle property that we've looked at just recently, which involves parallel lines, is called corresponding angles, or the F rule. So the two angles here, A and B, are corresponding. Remember, because they lie inside our letter F, they are at the joints of the F, and they both lie on the same side of each parallel line, and they are exactly the same. So very shortly, we're now going to apply any one or more of these 6 angle properties to find unknown angles in a given angle diagram.